Hello, my name is Lovely. How are you today? Are you happy or are you sad? Hmm? Happy? Oh, that's great. Okay, everyone, please stand up. Let's sing a hello song. Are you ready? Okay, let's sing together. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good. Great. I'm wonderful. Okay, so if teachers sees you that you were listening to me, I will give you a lot of rewards. Yes. So, are you excited? So today we are going to talk about ah, we are going to talk about fruits. Yes, fruits. Everybody, fruits. Do you like fruits? Okay, can you say, yes, I do? Again, yes, I do. Okay, so now, what do we have here? We have apple. Yes, can you say, ah, ah, apple? Again, ah, ah, apple. Yes, perfect. Okay, and then we also have, yeah, banana. Again, one more time, please. Banana. Very good. And we also have here hmm, mango. Yes, mango. Do you like mango? Yes, I do. Okay, and the last one we have mm, orange. Yes, we have, what's this? Yes, orange. Perfect. Because of that, I will give you a 1 star. Yes. Okay, now let's make a sentence. Okay, here we go. Mm, what fruits do you like? Again, what fruits do you like? Okay, now can you say, I like the apple? One more time, please. I like the apple. Yay! Next, I like the banana. I like the banana. Yes. We have I like the mango. Again, I like the mango. Yes. Next, I like the orange. One more time, please. I like the orange. Yay! Hmm. Now, I will ask you a question. What is this? Yes, apple. Can you say, I like the... Okay, again. I like the apple. Okay, can you say, I like the apple? Yes, very good. One more time, one more time. I like the banana. Yay! Good job. Because of that, I will give you a candy. Yeah. What do we have here? How about you? What fruits do you like? The red one? Apple? No. Mm, what's this? Yes, strawberry. Can you say, I like the strawberry? Yes, perfect. Okay, so that's it. Now let's have a review. Please do read this one. Fruits. apple, banana, mango, and orange. What do you like? I like the banana. Yay, perfect. All right, so that's what you learned today about different kinds of fruits. Okay, now everybody please stand up. Let's sing a goodbye song. Okay. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. All right, everyone. Thank you so much and see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day.